I'm making a bunch of graduation projects for Cricut, and I'm really excited about it because I love how it turned out. The one that I made is like the lilies, and then I of course added some writing on top. What I usually do is I actually make it on like a black piece of paper, and then I attach it onto the cap so that I don't actually ruin the cap. But I do have a real cap that I actually use for that. And then I'm also working on a paper lei. So there's a graduation lei. And this is like the other cap that I'm working on right now. They're so cute. I do love doing the whole paper flowers like on the top with like writing. I think like the tricky part is I don't really know, like I'm not really clever to come up with like cute puns or like quotes that are inspirational. That's also like short to put on the top. So I tried my best. Like this one, it says blooming like a lily. Like I don't know if I love it, but that's what I ended up with. And then I'm coming up with like the Cosmos version right now. So yeah, it's funny, when I graduated, I actually didn't put the flowers on the top. When I actually graduated, I put it on the like rim here. So definitely a lot of ideas when it comes to decorating a graduation cap. So hopefully I come up with more ideas for you guys if you guys are DIYing for graduation parties. Okay, I'm gonna try these on for you guys and show you guys what it looks like at the end. I'm so excited. I'm getting ready to head over to the Pasadena Showcase House of Design. I got invited as a content creator before it's open to the public. I believe once I publish this video, it should be open to the public. So I will be linking their information below the video. You do need to get tickets to get in. I think it's like an estate, and interior designers kind of take over each like space in the home, and then they basically make it look really amazing. And I've actually been invited to the Modernism Week a few years ago in Palm Springs, and that's also kind of similar, I would think. We did house tours, and we also got to check out like art installations. It was so cool, and it was like an amazing experience. So I'm excited that I got to be invited to the Pasadena one. It is my first time checking out the Pasadena Showcase House of Design, so I'm really excited. I'm taking my Fujifilm camera. I'm going to take lots of photos and take you guys with me. got back home. Pasadena Showcase House of Design was so gorgeous. I'm like, wow, I want to redo my whole house right now. And all their bathrooms, like, wow, because I've been wanting to redo our bathrooms for the longest time. So I obviously was like staring at all the bathrooms. That was so much fun. You guys should check it out. I just got a package while I came in from Gap. And I'm so excited for this because it has this like floral embroidery. So this is so cute. I'm gonna try it on. They are PJs that were on sale at Gap. So I bought a few of them. Look at this one. It has like an eyelet design I love. And I got some matching shorts as well. All right, I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Look how cute these are. I'm so excited to be wearing this. I usually go to sleep in just like a t-shirt that I got for free somewhere and like an old like boxer shorts or something. So when I saw these floral embroidery on this PJ set, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna treat myself to some cute PJs. So these are so cute. I think it's gonna be perfect for summertime. Let me try on the eyelet version. Okay, so I only got the top for the eyelet version because I wasn't sure. Now I wish I got the set, but this one is so cute. I feel like you can totally even just wear it out. I'm so in love with all the PJs at Gap right now. It's so cute. I think they're like perfect for summertime. I think I could even wear these shorts out, maybe with like a sweater or something. I think I'm gonna buy the matching shorts for this one too. It's so cute. I'm gonna link it for you guys below the video. It is on sale, so hopefully it's on sale still by the time I edit this video, but yeah, that's so cute. I just finished recording an episode on Paper Talk podcast. If you guys don't know, I am one of the co-hosts for the podcast there. Make sure you tune in. I will link the channel below the video. And we're so excited because we're relaunching Paper to Profits, but a whole new version of it. It is an online course and a mastermind where we go through basically how to run a business doing art and how to make money from it. Personally, I'll be talking a lot about paid partnerships, growing your social media, how to get sold out workshops, and basically how to make money from making art. So we're really excited because the three of us are kind of like a powerhouse. We've all been in business for a really long time, and we want to share the struggles that we've gone through, what we learned, and it is very structured. So within the weeks that we go and meet together, we are going through a few chapters each time together with exercises. So definitely check it out if you are just starting out and you want to make money making your art, or you've been in the business and you want to grow more and you need accountability. This is going to be the class for you. Make sure you check it out. It's going to be Paper to Profits, and I'll be linking it for you guys below the video.